Hello viewers! Today I want to talk about pasteurization. Now, pasteurization is the process of heating up food product in order for food safety and for preservation. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe, and please share this video wherever it is appropriate. So I have received a few viewer questions about pasteurization. Also, I've seen videos of traditional Chinese rice wine production where part of the process after it's brewed is to heat up the wine, not boiling, but very, very hot for a consistent period of time. And that's part of the traditional process of winemaking. And this is kind of wine that's aged. So I think that's very much like pasteurization, that process. So pasteurization does fit in with brewing, even traditional brewing. If I have the choice between a pasteurized and a non-pasteurized rice wine in a store, well, usually I'm looking for something fresh, so I like the unpasteurized rice wine, and that's going to taste fresher. But a lot of makgeolli is pasteurized, and it has a longer shelf life than the unpasteurized makgeolli. So I want to experiment with that today. So the process I want to follow is to immerse the bottle of rice wine in hot water, heated to a certain temperature, and let it sit there for 10 minutes. And then remove the bottle and put it back in the fridge. So I'm going to show you what I did. So to start off with, I want to add the right amount of water to the pot. And to do that, I place the bottle of rice wine that I want to pasteurize in the pot and add the water to the correct level. Then I remove the bottle of rice wine so that I can heat up the water. I don't want to be applying direct heat to the rice wine. So I heat up the water to around 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it's past that temperature, I remove the pot of water from the heat. I turn off the heat. I wait till it gets to exactly 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. I place the bottle of rice wine in the pot of water, and I put a heavy lid on top just to force the bottle to be submerged in the water. And then I wait for 10 minutes. So during this time it's cooling. That should be hot enough. Once the temperature is equalized, it should be hot enough to do pasteurization. So that's my little experiment. That's what I did yesterday. So for comparison purposes, these are the bottles I'm using to compare. This is my attempt at Huangzhou, and I'm comparing this bottle, this 0.1 bottle I left in the fridge, and this 0.2 bottle is the bottle that I pasteurized yesterday, and I put it in the fridge. So they were both in the fridge. They're at the same temperature now, but this bottle 0.2, it was pasteurized yesterday. So I'm going to see if there's any difference in taste just right now, the day after I pasteurized it. So this is the unpasteurized rice wine, and this is the pasteurized rice wine. Now, this is still cloudy. I was hoping this Huangzhou would clear up a bit over time, but at the moment it is still cloudy. So I'm going to try the unpasteurized one first. And this is the pasteurized one. Okay, so So I have to say, it's pretty similar in taste. Blind taste test, I would not be able to tell these apart. They're both tasting pretty nutty to me right now. And with that lemony, a bit of lemony sourness to both of them. So, whatever amount of heat I applied yesterday, it did not affect the taste immediately. I'm going to retest this at a later date and report back to you. Hope you found this video interesting. Thank you for watching.